Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? So today Tesla is going up more than 5% right now the moment I'm recording this video. We are going up nicely, doing a very strong and powerful bullish candlestick pattern. To me, this only reinforces our previous idea that yes, Tesla is doing a very strong bottom sign right now at this moment. I will give you guys more details in this video. First, remember to click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Now let's see what is really important on Tesla. Yes, since we hit our support level at 206 down here, it seems we stabilized during this candle, and then we did a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, then we did a hammer candlestick pattern, which was a very good candlestick pattern in my humble opinion. I know we dropped minus 1.49%, but still it is a very good candlestick pattern, bullish candlestick pattern. And right now today we are doing something very curious, because since the start of the recent short-term sell-off on October 18, Tesla couldn't do a higher high. It couldn't break the previous day high over here. And right now, today, we are breaking this trend. We are doing something new. And right now, if you ask me, we are just seeking the next resistance at 229. Today's volume is quite good already. I am recording this video a little bit earlier than usual, and the volume is right now about the average. So yes, this is a very good sign. In addition to all of these signs, price action wise, the technicals are quite surprising. As I already told you guys yesterday, we see many divergences on many indicators, including RSI, OBV, and AD. On RSI, we see a very strong divergence. While the price was dropping over here, the indicator was clearly already in a bull trend, just like the OBV and just like the accumulation distribution index. However, the RSI and the AD indicators, they are doing an advanced breakout. What is an advanced breakout, Nathan? When an indicator does a breakout from the previous top level before the price does, we call advanced breakout, because the indicators are giving you a hint what could happen next. They are already doing their breakouts. This is quite curious because all of these indicators, they take into account price and volume. So to me, clearly people, investors are buying Tesla at this price level. Now, Nathan, could your bullish thesis be completely wrong and inaccurate? Yes, it could. Right now, there is no bearish indicator that could convince me otherwise. But if we lose the 206 for good, doing a very strong bearish candlestick pattern, closing below the 206, then I would be more convinced about that this bullish reaction may get frustrated in the future and we could see lower price levels. All right, but so far so good. So far, guys, what we must do is not try to be right all the time, but do the right thing all the time. Two completely different things. All right, we must just react to the market. Remember, trading is reactive, it is not predictive. There is no use trying to use TA or price action to try to predict what's going to happen next. Instead, we analyze the current scenario and try to build our own thesis, basing our thoughts on TA and price action, always keeping in mind that all of this is a statistical game, and yes, we could be wrong. Now, if you want a stress-free trading methodology that can consistently beat the market for right now almost 100 weeks, subscribe to my newsletter. Remember, my dear friends, check the Market Dive Daily newsletter over here. I write every single day my recommendations to you guys. I think you will appreciate our performance. Remember, our performance is public. You may just click on this link over here so you can take a look at how we are doing, all right? Now, Back to Tesla, the most important resistance is 229, $229. By breaking this resistance, which is quite close right now to the 21 EMA, by the way, by breaking this dual resistance area, Tesla is going to trigger this double bottom chart pattern. And as one of you guys mentioned, it is quite curious that a previous M pattern made Tesla drop nearly 30%, and right now a W pattern is about to reverse the trend. This is TA, my dear friends. Now, let's just wait for the breakout. When we see the breakout of $229, we will have our final confirmation. We already have many confirmation signs already, but by breaking this resistance, we will trigger a potential mid slash long term bullish reversal pattern that could take us to higher price levels. I already told you guys, I think, in my humble opinion, $289 is the next resistance to work with, but maybe we will find a secondary resistance around the $265, which was my previous target. If Tesla went up from here, if Tesla hit this bottom and started going up, this would be probably the main resistance to work with, all right? But right now, it is a secondary resistance that could play a bigger role in the future. But right now, let's keep your eyes open at the $229 and at the 206, which is the most important resistance for us to work with in the mid and short term as well, okay? Right now, the situation is under control. Do we see any top sign, any bearish indicator on Tesla right now? No, of course not. Just look at this candlestick over here. Not even in the 1 hour chart, Nathan. The 1 hour chart looks a little bit exhausted. Well, in my humble opinion, this movement is completely normal. If we see a pullback before or even after we hit the $229, it is plausible to see a pullback maybe to one of the retracements over here, but this is it, all right? As long as we don't see any bearish reversal sign, Tesla will most likely reverse this bearish sentiment. Always remember the many weird indicators that we see over here, RSI, OBV, AD, they're all indicating to us that yes, the odds are that we're gonna see a bullish breakout from the 229s. I will keep you guys updated every single day, so seriously remember to subscribe this channel. If you are still watching this video, I probably earned your subscription, right? Subscribe this channel, click on the like button to support me. My dear friends, see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.